दी साडी एक आ पछाण पतलो सर्कल छोटा गलबात वड्डी ऐ एक पिछे लगदियां 7 जीरोआं एडे मोले वाली जट कोल गड्डी ऐ दसांझा वाला नाम दिलां उत्ते लिखिया खासा जोर लग जू मटाउण वास्ते हो पैसे पूसे बारे बिल्लो सोचे दुनिया जट पैदा होया बस छाउण वास्ते पैसे पूसे बारे बिल्लो सोचे दुनिया जट पैदा होया बस छाउण वास्ते खड़े पैर टाइम ते नवेड़ दिन्ने आ रखिया नहीं साहब कदे बाकी किसे ना होके जज्बाती भावे हार जाईदा जित्ते नहीं हो करके चलाकी किसे ना होके जज्बाती भावे हार जाईदा जित्ते नहीं हो करके चलाकी किसे ना रुस्सी भी मशूकता मनाई जांदी नी साले फिरदे आ जग पिछे लाउण वास्ते आ पैसे पूसे बारे विल्लो सोचे दुनिया जट पैदा होया बस
Street ball, huh? Let's play. One more time, let's dance it all. Back on the court, game time, street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे चीर फाड़. You better ball hard. सारे भागे इतनी तेज खुद को छोड़ दिया पीछे. Back and forth, round ऊपर नीचे बस beat to beat करके shot 3-pointer. Heat बढ़ने लगी ball. When ball is in the air, kings play fair. Dunk पे dunk straight up in your face. No flops, no drops. Pitches सारे hit कभी old school style कभी pro to fit. Look at fit, super strong defense, all offense on court, सारे skill enhanced, full lever on, बढ़ने लगा thrill, presenting Delhi Ink, you know the drill, कभी दपा कभी drives, सबके सब माहिर है, champion will be one एक बात जाहिर है, फिर भी हिम्मत टूटे ना, only one dream, they got पे record, सारे तोड़ दिए दायरे, ball baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball ball, baby ball ball ball, baby ball baby ball baby ball, one more time, let's dance it all, back on the court, game time, street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे चीट फाड़. You better ball hard. Street ball, huh? Let's play. One more time, let's dance it all. Back on the court, game time, street ball. दो हाथ हर रात सब साथ होने लगे चीर फाड़. You better ball hard. सारे भागे इतनी तेज खुद को छोड़ दिया पीछे. Back and forth, round ऊपर नीचे बस beat to beat करके shot 3-pointer. Heat बढ़ने लगी ball. When ball is in the air, kings play fair. Dunk पे dunk straight up in your face. No flops, no drops. Pitches सारे hit कभी old school style कभी pro to fit. Look at fit, super strong defense, all offense on court, सारे skill enhanced, full lever on, बढ़ने लगा thrill, presenting Delhi Ink, you know the drill. कभी दपा कभी drives, सबके सब माहिर है, champion will be one एक बात जाहिर है, फिर भी
This is game number 6, last match of day 3 at India's coolest 3x3 celebrity owned basketball league, streetball league, hashtag ball baby ball.
Welcome everybody to the last match for today.
Yes.
I am very curious to see how this match shows up. Currently, we have 1 point from both teams.
स्टार्टिंग के कुछ सेकंड्स ही हुए हैं, दोनों टीम ने अपने खाते खोल दिए हैं. प्रोटोफिट चार्जर्स वर्सेस चिलर चीतास,
Less than 10 seconds, both teams have scored.
1
Now-
point each.
Yes.
And Protofit Chargers with the lead, 3 points. And इस टीम की बात की जाए यार, चिलर चीतास have made an outstanding debut in this season. 2 मैच खेले हैं, दोनों ही जीत चुके हैं by a huge margin. In fact, पिछले मैच के ब्रेक के दौरान, जो टेक्निकल ब्रेक हुआ था, उसके दौरान when I went and asked the old school ballers, the defending champions के co-owner को जब मैंने पूछा कि which team is the one team that you think जो आपको सबसे difficult bout देगी, and he was like, it is Chiller Cheetahs.
No doubt. I completely agree with Mr. Hemant Manglani. Chiller Cheetahs have put on quite a show for everybody. They've gotten everybody to their feet. सब चिल्ला रहे थे, सब इतने जोश के साथ. Everybody was so excited to watch them play. And correct me if I'm wrong, but Chiller Cheetahs is, are they from here?
I think most of them are from North India. I think Delhi से बहुत सारे लोग
Isn't
belong
it?
हैं. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's
And I think the best
crazy.
part is, I guess they get to practice on a daily basis. वो समय निकालते हैं
Yes.
रोज, टीम इकट्ठे रहती है, which I
Yes.
think is like one of the most important factors of them dominating this season.
Definitely.
Just snatching the ball, dude. Aggression देखो इन लोगों का, ये pure raw. Like दिल्ली से हैं और एक मुंबई एंड दिल्ली का proper combo हो रहा है यहाँ पर.
Delhi boys.
It's Protofit Chargers versus Chiller Cheetahs.
Yes, it is.
For the people who don't know, the owner of Chiller Cheetahs is Bassi, one of India's top comedian.
A wonderful guy.
Although he hasn't been here, he's touring with his stand-up comedy, but he'll be here soon. मैंने अभी उनके कप्तान से बात की. He's like he's making time, he's arranging as soon as he can. He wants to be here. He's giving all the inputs he can. He's praising all the players he can
He's
in
being-
whatever time he's having.
He's being as involved as possible with the players, even while being on tour, which shows how dedicated and how passionate he is for the sport. Chiller Cheetahs and Protofit Chargers both seem to be simultaneously draining shots one by one. It's like
This
if
is
one of them rains it, the other one says,
We're
"Oh,
not even
here you go."
close yet to the clutch time and score देखो आप यहाँ पर. अब
Exactly.
तक 11 पॉइंट दोनों टीम के मिलके आ चुके हैं. सचिन has called in for substitution, the captain of Chiller Cheetahs. And I think Protofit Chargers is काफी की टक्कर वाली फाइट दे रहे हैं इनको इस वक्त.
Zarur. You can see it. Protofit is also trying to take it out from the arc, and there you go.
Also the owners of Protofit Chargers, Saurabh Shah is here.
This seems to be a very intense game in the sense that, there's a perfect match. Chiller Cheetahs ka Harsh is exactly, he's been tagging Mane from Protofit. They have an exact match from man to man. Size-wise, physique-wise.
Absolutely.
It's not at all mismatched for even a second here. It's wonderfully matched to the defense for both teams.
तो both these athletes जितने भी दोनों टीम के 6 के 6 प्लेयर जो इस वक्त कोर्ट पे हैं काफी क्विक है अपने फीट पर.
Definitely. All of these players are agile as well as very strong with their defense.
3 minutes 50 seconds to go.
It's just raining baskets here.
And also one thing that I absolutely love about Chiller Cheetahs is their accent, while you watching all the other teams from the court side, they're like, come on, do it. हाथ ऊपर करो यार, ये करो. It's like, भाई कर ले, चल ले जैसे कर ले. It is so beautiful to
Chiller Cheetahs,
understand. Yeah.
yes.
They have this accent, they have this rawness, and they're not even trying to change it. That is the most beautiful part.
That is.
अगर scores की बात की जाए तो please tell all the viewers who are watching right now what is the score.
Well, Protofit Chargers and Chiller Cheetahs both stand at 9-all as of now. Fouls for the Protofit Chargers are 2 fouls and Chiller Cheetahs is 1 foul. And they've just been draining buckets in here. I mean,
It is.
definitely seems like a high-scoring match. Let's see how far this goes. Zed from Protofit Chargers is like this He just slithers through, right? He's like this snake, but in a good manner.
In a
Like,
good manner, yes.
yeah, he'll get to places without you knowing. He's one of the most unpredictable guys
He's
in the
very
league.
light on his feet, you know. That's why you don't come to know that he's coming around you or
Yes,
not.
he's very light and he's very, very fast.
He's very fast.
It takes two people to catch him, kind of pin him down, keep him contained. Look at him, just look at him hustling and shuffling and
Also one of the players breaking the stereotype कि फुटबॉल में and especially street ball league में आपको एक height की requirement है. All you have to have is skills to your game and very important है. And you see, he's such a brilliant player.
no doubt. You know, another player that I would ask everybody to watch out for is Prince from the Chiller Cheetahs. He's been putting up a splendid performance from day one. If I'm not
Jersey
wrong,
number 7.
yes, if I'm not wrong, Prince has been Prince is the reason why Chiller Cheetahs won against Old School Ballers in the very first day of the Street Ball League Season 2. He contributed to the team immensely through the number of points that he drained. So he's definitely somebody to watch out for. He's got his very fancy headband to keep his hair off his face.
As I said कि यार all the players, athletes जितने भी हैं अपने appearance पर भी काफी ध्यान दे रहे हैं. They don't want to
अरे.
look shabby while they're coming on court. They want
No
to look
doubt.
presentable because they know this has been streamed. People are going to watch it, and this league is only getting bigger and better.
Of course, of course. There's no limits. Sky is the limit for street ball.
Sky is the limit.
27 seconds to
Prince has come out, and in place of Prince, the captain for the Chilla Cheetahs, Sachin, has gone in. Sachin is, I mean, he runs the game beautifully. Beautifully. I do not have the words to frame that, but he's just.
But do you see कि जो owners हैं street ball league के teams के कितने diverse उनके work profiles हैं. You know, Hemant Manglani is like a complete different from what Melvin Lewis does, and Melvin Lewis is completely different from what Gursimran Khamba does, and Gursimran Khamba is
yes.
completely different from what Varun Sud Divya Agarwal does, and they are completely different from Bassi.
Right.
So अगर teams की बात की जाए तो उनके owners ही इतने diverse हैं, तो you can only expect how different and diverse the culture and the players are.
Yeah, we have people from every field here, and be it, okay, teams ke theek hai, owners are from different fields. When you come down to the players, you have players from different cultures, different parts of the country, different corners of the country that come together just for the love of the sport, which again shows how great basketball as a sport is in bringing together different cultures, different people at one point of time just because of the love that everybody shares for the sport. So, my mind. I love the game.
So if you had to have a team in the street ball league, so आप अपनी team का नाम क्या रखती?
This is a trick question, yeah, Shivam.
So why do you think I'm only going to ask you easy questions then?
Well,
I'm not here for that.
all the teams here have such fancy names. I feel like any name I give would not stand anywhere in the rankings.
But still, what is coming at the top of your head?
Let's
Will
see.
it be a men's team?
Oh, it'll be a men's and a women's team.
Oh,
Both.
wonderful. And what will be the name?
Something to do with Sizzlers.
Sizzlers.
Yeah, Sizzlers is very feisty, no? Hot
It's very,
and
yeah.
sizzling and powerful and spicy.
1 minute.
And also very close to the street ball league. का street का culture के काफी करीब है ये.
है ना?
The Sizzlers.
5 seconds.
It'll be a very catchy name. I'm being
It
very
would,
honest.
no?
Yes, it'll be a very catchy name.
Really would.
And also, very honestly, अगर आप audience की attendance देखें यहाँ पर, compared to the day 1 and day 2, today we have far more audience and far more active audience. Being very honest,
All
they're
our
cheering.
seats,
Yeah.
yes, all our seats are filled out. We've got people standing, but they're not going home. They just want to watch every match. They want to catch every bit of action that basketball has to offer.
Exactly.
No doubt.
ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक टीम को सपोर्ट करके फिर वो चले गए. वो हर मैच बैठकर यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं.
Yes.
Most of them here are even planning, maybe planning कि अगले सीजन में हम भी आके अपना सिलेक्शन दें, हमको भी कोई सिलेक्ट करे.
Exactly.
And I think, do you think that with every passing season, streetball needs to add more teams?
Definitely, because streetball is such a big growing league. I mean, the number of entries we have every year for trials and all of that is massive. And then, even the owners the other day, they were mentioning that, if only we could get more people to play, if only we could use this opportunity, use this platform as an opportunity to, showcase more talents. So I'm sure with time we're going to have more teams. It's going to be a bigger league. We're going to have a lot more bigger names. We already have some crazy big names on board.
बट आई कम्प्लीटली डिसएग्री विद यू ऑन दिस बिकॉज मेरे को लगता है कि जितना प्रिसाइज होगा ना उतने बेटर प्लेयर्स निकल कर आएंगे. क्योंकि अगर आप इंडियन टीम की बात करें,
True.
तो कोई भी टीम की बात करें, इंडियन फुटबॉल टीम, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम, इंडियन बास्केटबॉल टीम,
True.
जितने
2 seconds to
कम
go.
लोग उसमें होते हैं उतने ही टॉप क्लास वो प्लेयर्स होते हैं. तो आई थिंक जितनी टीम्स हैं उतनी ही होनी चाहिए. बट आई थिंक विमेंस टीम को बढ़ाया जा सकता है.
Definitely.
एंड उसके अलावा अगर बात की जाए इन जनरल बाकी टीम्स की, तो आई थिंक वी आर इनफ. एंड एनी सिंगल वन ऑफ यू इज लिसनिंग टू अस राइट नाउ, जो हमें इस वक्त देख रहे हैं, अगर आपको स्ट्रीट बॉल का हिस्सा बनना है तो अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर दीजिए बॉस. क्योंकि इस लीग में 1-2 महीने की प्रैक्टिस काफ़ी बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाली है. बिकॉज यहाँ पर जो लोग आते हैं, दे लव दिस गेम एंड दे कैन डू एनीथिंग that goes for this game.
Everybody that comes here is so passionate about the game. There are no boundaries whatsoever to what they can give, what they can do for the game. So everybody that wants to come for trials, watch out, guys.
So scores की बात की जाए तो प्रो टू फिट चार्जर्स का स्कोर इस वक्त है 9 points and चिलर चीताज absolutely by far dominating 18 points के साथ में.
That's double, Shivam.
That's the exact double. You know,
Quite a
I think
watch.
that's something really special about this team. और मेरे ख्याल से इनकी खासियत ये है कि ये मुंबई से नहीं है.
Chiller Cheetahs.
Because what I think is, because when you play in Mumbai, there are not too many places where you can actually play basketball. And the people who are from Mumbai and who play basketball, they usually understand the circumstances. Now, when it comes to them, आप completely unexpected हो कि कौन सा game plan लेकर आएंगे,
Yes.
आपके साथ में क्या perform करेंगे, कौन सी position पे खेलेगा.
Yes.
So it's completely unexpected with them, and I think कि यही इनकी USP है. But it will be really interesting towards the end of the season देखना कि ये इसको continue कर पाते हैं या नहीं कर पाते हैं. Because as far as of now, they are killing it.
Shivam, my heart is with the Chiller Cheetahs because it's owned by our very own Tarasha. It's her team. So no doubt. Coming back into the
Second
game.
half की शुरुआत हो चुकी है यहाँ पर.
This looks like quite an interesting match. I mean, you have Zed, who's like probably half the height of his other two teammates. And everybody from Chiller Cheetahs is quite tall. So I'm wondering why, I mean, Zed feels a bit mismatched here.
I think they don't even need to tell कि किसको क्या करना चाहिए. उनको पता है कि उनको क्या करना चाहिए. इसकी खासियत यही है.
No doubt. Look
वो
at Zed.
इशारों में बता देते हैं कि वो फिंगर्स काउंट में बता देते हैं कि आपको यहाँ नहीं यहाँ पर आना है.
Definitely, yes.
And that is a good basket by Zed.
Haha. Zed has been raining baskets, no? Look at
Once
him from
again,
everywhere.
oh, it was really close. I think Zed, once again I'm going to tell कि वो एक player है जो एक stereotype तोड़ते हैं कि आपको एक particular height की ज़रूरत है. No, you have to have yourself skills. LeBron James was not the tallest, is not the tallest. Kobe Bryant was not the tallest, yet they are the greatest.
Definitely, definitely. It's very important for us to highlight how these things are breaking stereotypes. Because, everybody has that mental block कि नहीं हम लंबे हैं तो ही हम basketball खेलेंगे.
And I think उसकी खासियत पता है क्या है कि अगर उसको कोई डिफेंड करना आता है ना, he's very quick with his speeds. He stops all of a sudden, and then the person who's behind him takes an overstep, and उतने समय में he goes away
Yes.
from them.
With Zed, what he's doing is just 2 minutes ago, he went to the right side of the arc.
This is what I was talking about.
Yes, he hustles like crazy. So Zed went to the right side of the arc. He went in for a 2-pointer. 2 seconds later, he came to the other side. He went in from there again.
That's exactly
With
what I'm
Zed,
talking about.
it's a continuous cycle of shooting. He'll find different angles, different nooks and corners and crannies to go and just shoot.
5 minutes. 30
Okay, I'm giving you a hypothetical situation.
Tell me.
If the owner of Chiller Cheetahs was here, which is बस्सी यहाँ पर अगर होते, आपके साथ में हमारे साथ में को कमेंटेटर होते, तो आप उनको अपनी टीम से जुड़े या फिर बास्केटबॉल से जुड़े कौन से सवाल करती?
One of the first questions I would like to ask Mr. Basti would be how he got into the entire basketball culture. Because अभी इतने celebrities हैं, you know, who are realizing कि wow, basketball is such a big sport.
Yeah.
Basketball में कितना potential है, हमारे Indian youth में कितना potential है ये sport के लिए. So one of the first questions that I would want to ask him is what, you know, motivated, what encouraged him, what inspired him to, you know, be so passionate about the sport? What drew him to the sport? What still keeps him going for the sport? What still keeps him supporting his team every single day, no matter what city or what country he's in? This is something I really want to ask him. Second would be कि तुम लाए कहाँ से इतने talented players?
एब्सोल्युटली मेरे ख्याल से उनके दिमाग में पिछले सीजन से ही रहा होगा, उन्होंने देख रखा होगा एंड ही वाज लाइक कि नो आई हैव माय बॉयज विद मी जो इस गेम को जानते हैं, खेलते हैं और आउट परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं बाकी कोई भी टीम के प्लेयर्स को.
Exactly. I mean, the level of game that we see at street ball is just elite. It is elite beyond a point that I cannot describe it. It's just crazy the amount of the type of games we see here. The amount of brain work that goes into every game. कितने smart moves होते हैं. You know, for somebody who's sitting outside, उनको watching the game unfold, it's like wow. इतना पहले से इतना सोचा है हमने.
Yeah.
As players, they've thought of so much. They've thought of so
Yeah.
many. They've thought of 100 possible situations, things that can go wrong in a match. It requires a lot of energy. It requires a lot of stamina to actually, you know, execute a game at this level and be so good with, you know, so much of pressure raining down on you from everywhere. And with the Chiller Cheetahs, it's their first time in the league. I mean,
Yeah.
everybody was
In
just
fact, both the
doubting them.
teams, Protofit Chadas का भी ये पहला सीजन ही है.
Yes. So for both the teams, you have everybody doubting them. कि अरे कौन है? Newbies, you know? The entire newbies tag is carried with
Yeah.
them. And they're here to prove themselves as to how good they can be.
And you know, if I had an opportunity to ask the question to the owners of Protofit Chadas, मैं इनको यही पूछूंगा कि, you know, because as far as I know, the owner looks quite composed, and I think आप जब गेम आपकी खुद की एक टीम होती है, तो you automatically generate that aggression. आप खड़े हो जाते हो, you yell at, you cheer them, you give them inputs. तो पहली बार या फिर आखिरी बार उनको ऐसा कब महसूस हुआ था कि उनको मतलब he has to have this team as streetball league?
That is a very wise question to ask, Shivam.
No, because generally, you know, some players you watch, you know, we cannot expect Rahul Dravid to come out and bat like Hardik Pandya, you know.
Right.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Now, when you look at him, he gives the vibe of a very wise person himself, which I am sure he is. But this game is all about drawness, aggression. तो मेरे को जानना है कि उनकी discussions या फिर after meetings क्या होती हैं.
It would be so great if we could get into, like, you know, if we could get a glimpse into one of these team meetings before and after a match.
Yeah.
To actually see how all of them operate and function and how they plan stuff. Tough tussle between
3 minutes,
Faraz
4 seconds to go.
and Harsh.
3 minutes, 30.
Quite a tussle they had with the ball here. We have 3 minutes left for the end of the match. A beautiful shot by Mane. He just drove in and my.
3 minutes, 10 seconds to go.
Prince attempted but fell short.
यार अब तो ये भी काफ़ी क्लियर हो चुका है. स्कोर अभी भी डबल है चिलर चीतास का. They have 24 points. Protofit Chadas का इस वक्त स्कोर है सिर्फ 12 points. 3 मिनट बाकी हैं, 2 मिनट बाकी क्लच टाइम को यहाँ पर.
हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रही हूँ. मैं तो टीम पिक नहीं करने वाली. हर टीम जो मैंने पिक करा है वो हार ही गया है.
I think
All
you're
thanks to
damn
clutch
right.
time.
Yeah, you're damn right. हम ये predict ही नहीं कर सकते या फिर until the last 10 seconds you cannot tell कि which team has the heaviest side in this game.
Exactly my point. Things can flip.
So, Saurabh Shah, Payal Shah.
2 minutes, 36 seconds to go. 2 minutes, 36 seconds to go.
The score now stands at Protofit Chargers with 12 points, Chiller Cheetahs with 25 points. Fouls for both teams are Protofit with 5 fouls
You know,
and
at this
Chiller
moment-
Cheetahs with 3.
Chiller Cheetahs is reminding me of a team called Hoop Heads जो first season में थी.
Uh-huh.
Even they were super dominant in the entire league matches. एक मैच नहीं हारा उन्होंने. But you know,
With Chiller Cheetahs and Protofit Chargers, since they're such new teams, I feel like they have that pressure to prove themselves. There's a very
it
intense
is also a very
sense.
valid point. Yes.
Yes. There's a very intense sense of pressure that they have to prove themselves and show everybody that yes, they're capable. And as of now, Chiller Cheetahs is doing a wonderful job of it. They've not lost one match.
Not yet.
This one they're dominating, which I'm assuming they're going to win.
You know, but you're talking about Zaid. Zaid, I think मेरे ख्याल से पिछले season में he was playing for buzzer beaters. And
That is an
even in
interesting
that team, he
switch.
was like contributing exceptionally well. You know, he has turned what क्या बोलते हो अपनी कमी को आप एक खूबसूरती के साथ में present करते हो.
Yes.
Zaid has did that on numerous occasions and proved himself to be an excellent player on the court.
Right. So, with a lot of these players that have played season one, when you look back at their game in season one and you compare it now to season two, you can see how they've all also matured. So, in the last 1.5 years, or almost 2 years, that, everybody was locked up at home. A lot of people, used that time they capitalized on it and they actually got better. They made better versions of themselves. Now, talking about the basketball community, we did not have access to courts because courts were shut down. All of this kept happening. So, we stayed at home. We did body weight training. घर पे बैठ के जितना ball handling होता था, until the neighbors used to come and scream at us, वो चलता था.
जी
Terrace पे तो फिर terrace पे जाके करते थे.
जी
तो किसी का roof अंदर गिर गया होगा ball से. तो
Yes.
सब ऐसा हुआ है. But people never stopped hustling. And you can see that now. Between season 1 and season 2, the players have matured so immensely. I mean, there's so many players that I can name at the tip of my tongue right now who've had an immense improvement in their game.
2
Which,
minutes,
yeah,
7
for
seconds.
the good or bad, COVID really has helped a lot of people.
2
it
minutes,
has
7 seconds.
as they say कि हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं.
Right. It's up to you if you want to make the best of the situation
Yeah.
or not.
The same thing happening once again.
Exactly.
This
The
time
end.
it is Harsh
Yes.
from Chiller Cheetahs. You know, I have to tell you a very interesting story.
Tell me.
And I think कि ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा point prove करता है कि आपके पास जब experience होता है तो आपका vision कितना strong होता है. I'm not sure whether you know or not, or the viewers know this or not, but last year one of the people who was mentoring the league, streetball league, was Raspreet ma'am. She was the captain of
Yes.
Indian women's basketball team.
Yes.
And ऐसे ही one of the outside of the game, I asked her, what do you think outside of the game, कि which team has one of the most heaviest sides? And at that point in time, old school ballers had won some matches and they had lost some matches.
Right.
But Hoopheads was a team that 95% of the people were saying कि यही team है जो trophy लेके जाने वाली है.
Right.
But Raspreet ma'am had that vision and she was like, I genuinely believe when it comes to technicalities and everything overall, I think old school ballers will win the men's format. And the same thing happened. And when it happened, after the league, I was like, ma'am, आपकी बात सही हो गई. And she, I knew this. मतलब, she had this vision. And it only comes from experience.
It does. She's been into the sport. She's played the sport herself for so many years.
Yeah.
She's been a part of so many competitions. She's mentored so many of the youth. And obviously, I mean, experience does play a major part in this. And I mean, I'm not surprised that she made a prediction like that and it actually came through because
I was like really, that was the first experience of me जहाँ पर लोग कहते हैं ना कि experience come with like proper age.
yes,
She had experience of decades. तो उन्होंने उस experience से मुझे बताया था and it was just me and her talking. मैंने just ऐसे randomly पूछ लिया था.
right,
And I'm not even sure कि उन्होंने उस question को seriously लिया भी होगा नहीं लिया होगा. I'm not even sure कि मैंने seriously पूछा था कि नहीं पूछा था. But she gave me a very precise answer. She like, I think technicalities wise, old school ballers has the heavier side. So if I have to ask you, as of now, जितनी भी league हुई है अब तक, आधी league almost हो चुकी है हमारी. कौन सी team जीत सकती है men's and women's में? तो who's your pick? Starting off with the women's league first.
I feel like women say hot steppers might fall through and men say I am a little bit with the Chiller Cheetahs.
All right.
My heart, they really do have my heart because I mean I've been watching their game from day one and it's some of their moves are just crazy. Something that I would have never even imagined. They're actually doing those things that's when it hits me that
Yes.
my God, this is the amount of possibilities that basketball can actually offer.
You know, even this would be a very excellent combination to watch old school bowlers versus chiller cheetahs once again.
And the Chiller
कि
Cheetahs actually.
पहली बार
Yes.
हारने के बाद आई एम डैम श्योर कि ओल्ड स्कूल बॉलर्स ने काफ़ी कुछ रिकैप्स देखे होंगे, हाइलाइट्स देखे होंगे, एंड उसके बाद जो उनके परफॉर्मेंस रहे हैं बाकी के 2 मैचों में डोमिनेट किया है अपने ओपोनेंट्स को. एंड सेम हैज हैपेंड विद चिलर चीतास, इज हैपनिंग विद चिलर चीतास. इस मैच के दौरान भी स्कोर्स की बात की जाए तो प्रोटोफिट चार्जर्स विद 13 पॉइंट्स, चिलर चीतास एग्जैक्टली डबल हैं इस वक्त विद 26 पॉइंट्स. ऑल्सो प्रोटोफिट चार्जर्स के 7 फाउल्स हो चुके हैं एंड चिलर चीतास के इस वक्त सिर्फ 4 फाउल हुए हैं.
You know, Chiller Cheetahs is like a breath of fresh air all over again because it's
True.
fresh, raw talent that nobody's seen before. And now that they come here and they showcase all of that, everybody's just in awe. Like, the
I think also one I'm sorry to interrupt you, but मेरे को लगता है कि एक ऐसी टीम जो इस वक्त चिलर चीतास को टक्कर दे सकती है is also old school bowlers.
Definitely, definitely. I mean, these two teams are going to be locking heads for sure. They're going to be hustling for the cup as much as they can. But I mean, the day we have Chiller Cheetahs and old school ballers again, I am going to be glued to my seat, man. That is a match I can pay anything to watch for.
आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से इस मैच के दौरान प्रोटोफिट चार्जर्स की जो परेशानी रही है वो पासिंग को लेकर रही है. वो ठीक तरह से पास नहीं कर पाएंगे और इस बात का पूरा क्रेडिट जाता है चिलर चीतास को. हालांकि अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आए हैं, स्कोर भी उन्होंने बनाया है, काफ़ी पॉइंट्स मिस भी हुए हैं, बट फिर भी मेरे ख्याल से इस मुकाबले में बेहतर कर सकते थे प्रोटोफिट चार्जर्स के खिलाड़ी.
No doubt. And with Chiller Cheetahs, I think उनका game reading ना काफ़ी strong है. They've intercepted a lot of passes and they actually understand कि कहाँ पे कितना force लगाना चाहिए, कहाँ पे थोड़ा pull back होना चाहिए, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा pressure होना चाहिए. It's very calculated with the Chiller Cheetahs. I mean, their game plan is just fab. It looks very fab to all of us watching from here.
ऑल्सो रिमाइंडिंग ऑल द व्यूअर्स कि क्लच टाइम शुरू हो चुका है. 39 सेकंड्स बाकी इस मैच को समाप्त होने के लिए. एंड क्लियरली आई थिंक राइट नाउ एट दिस मोमेंट ओनली अ मिरेकल हैपन व्हिच कैन मेक प्रोटोफिट चार्जर्स द विनर ऑफ दिस मैच.
True. You know, just yesterday I was talking to Vivek about free throws happening, and Vivek and I, we came to a mutual agreement कि बंदे ने अगर free throw miss किया ना तो we should make a new rule where जहाँ पे 1 point deduct हो जाएगा फिर वो टीम से, because free throw is
Very
the most
interesting.
basic of basketball shots, right?
Yes.
And in a 3v3 your free throw game has to be damn strong.
Yes.
So free throw is basically all your charity shots.
25 seconds.
So right now
Wow. I
when
never
Harsh,
thought of it, but
exactly.
yes. This is a really interesting way to put this together.
Exactly. So right now, when Harsh missed a free throw, when he missed a free throw, it just hit me all over again.
Hey, I hope that's not a major injury.
Oh, it's
and yeah,
not.
it's not a major injury.
He's back
Prince
up on
and
his
Zed
feet.
are on their feet within seconds. And scores की बात की जाए तो exact opposite scores है दोनों टीम के. Protofit Chargers with 13 points and Chiller Cheetahs with exactly opposite numerical numbers, 31 at this moment.
You know,
Oh.
talking about the number of clashes that they have in this game, it's wonderful to see how they all just pull themselves back up.
This is the final whistle, Uma.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of our last match for the day between Protofit Chargers and the Chiller Cheetahs. And the Chiller Cheetahs have had a clear, dominant win of with 31 points, and the Protofit Chargers with 13 points.
This has been an excellent game performance by Chiller Cheetahs. I don't know कि इनका game plan क्या होता है. मैं अगली बार जब interview करूँगा, I hopefully तुम भी साथ में रहोगी मेरे उमा उस वक्त. I will ask them what is the game plan before the strategy. क्या वो हर match के साथ में change होती है? Or does it remains the same in every single matches? Because nobody is able to crack it yet.
Definitely,
ये
definitely.
देखने वाली बात होगी. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, आज के 6 मैच समाप्त हुए. बहुत ही close matches थे कुछ, and इस मैच को छोड़ने के अलावा and also the old school bowlers के मैच को छोड़ने के अलावा every single match was head to head. And Uma, would you like to add something to it?
Oh no, that's all. I am done for the day, and I think so are you. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we sign off for today. Shivam and Uma, we've been taking you through the day. We hope to see you all next weekend. Streaming live, catch us live. Goodbye, good night, stay safe, everybody.
Thank you.